So this is the first time I have ever installed some of this woven vinyl. It's actually going really nice. It looks really good. It looks super nice laying out here. I think it looks really good. I ain't got that seam made yet. I'm just fixing to make that seam. We pricked the crap out of the floor. I mean, this guy, I told him to put underlayment it down and told him where to staple it, how to staple it, staple patterns and all that kind of crap. Man, he used some 1/2-inch crown staples and it looked horrible. Anyway, this is cool. I can't wait to get done. Oh, something else I did here. They didn't want to trim any of this out. They didn't trim anything out. Baseboards were down. So what I did, I took my jam saw all the way around the edge and cut just enough so that it would tuck under just nicely. So that's going to be a nice clean finish to this. That worked out good. That was nice. It's the first time I ever went around the whole room with a jam saw like that. Worked out nice. Thank you, Crane. So because I took my jam saw around the edges of this room so I could tuck this because they're not putting any trim or anything, I'm using my carpet trimmer to give it just a little extra to tuck underneath there. I was gonna flush cut it and I decided against that. That's when I decided, you know what, I'm just gonna run my jam saw around the edges. That's gonna leave me enough about like that right there. Then I can take my plastic tucker and do a little tuck like that. Without marking up the bake base like a face. There we go. It fluffs right back up there as soon as I get it raked in. Looks good. I seen this on a Facebook group here a while back, and it's the first time I've had a chance to do it. Man, when I seen that, I was like, that's one of the smartest things I ever seen in my life. So simple, but yet so smart. We get done with this, I'll just pull the tape off and it'll be super clean. I already used it once. Always clean your grooves out once you get done so it don't set up in there. A trowel is a measuring device, so you got to keep those notches clean or you'll get the wrong measurement. And I just thought that was super smart. Putting tape on it, except for the edges, will keep your trowel nice and clean. Very smart. All right, so put tape on my trowel to keep from getting glue all over my trowel. Put tape on the top and all over the bottom. Just left a little bit exposed what I need to actually use the trowel. I've done this whole room. This is a 15 by 24 room. I'm completely done. Now the thing I've been wondering about, is the tape going to be glued to the trowel or is it going to come off? We're fixing to find out. We'll get my corner started here and let's see how it does. I think it's gonna be good. Oh my goodness, I love it. I love it. This is great. Get my corner started with my blade, looky there. Can't wait to show you this. So look at here. Again, a 15 by 28. I've glued the whole floor all day long. Look at that trowel. It almost looks completely brand new. Now I just got a little bit around the edges, which when it dries completely, I can take my blade and just slice it right off. It's gonna be like it was never even used.